Good morning students. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about cone. Now the best example of the cone can be given as a birthday cap or the ice cream cone which all of us like to have. Now if you observe the figure, in a cone there are two heights, perpendicular height h and slant height l. Again I am repeating, in cone there are two heights, perpendicular height h and slant height l. Now if you observe the cone, again cone is a figure which is having a curved surface. So there will be two areas for a cone, that is curved surface area and total surface area. Now to begin with, we will see the relation between L, that is slant height, H, that is perpendicular height, and R, that is radius. So the first formula is L square is equal to h square plus r square. What is the first formula? L square is equal to h square plus r square. Second, curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to pi r l. What is curved surface area of a cone? Pi r l. Third, total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area is equal to pi r in the bracket L plus R. What is total surface area? Pi r in the bracket L plus R. And last is volume. Volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So we have seen four formulas. First is L square is equal to h square plus r square. Number 2, curved surface area is equal to pi r l. Number 3, total surface area is equal to pi r in the bracket L plus r. And last, volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we will see the sums where we can apply this formula. Now let's see the first sum. What is given to us? Find the slant height of a cone having radius 9 cm and height 12 cm. So what is given to us? Given radius r is equal to 9 cm. Only height, that is our perpendicular height, that is h, that is equal to 12 cm. What we have to find out? Slant height, that is L, is equal to question mark. Now we know what is the relation between L, H and R. L square is equal to h square plus r square, that is equal to 12 square plus 9 square, that is equal to 144 plus 81, that is equal to 225. I got the value of L square is equal to 225. Therefore, L is equal to 15 centimeter. I got the value of L, that is, therefore, slant height of cone is 15 centimeter. Such sums can be asked for 1 mark. Only we have to use the formula L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now let's see the second sum. What is given to us? Volume of a cone is 1232 centimeter cube. Height is 24 centimeter. So first given height, that will be our h, 24 centimeter, comma volume is equal to 1232 centimeter cube. So first we will apply the formula of volume. We know volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute the values. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1 upon 3 into pi 22 upon 7 r square. We don't know value. What is h? 24. 3 1s are 3, 8s are. Therefore, I can say r square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 into 7 upon 22 into 8. Now let's simplify it. 2 11s are 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 11 5s are 55. Yes, 11 5s are 55. 6 66, 11 6s are 66, 8 1s are 8, 7s are. Therefore, r square is equal to 7 into 7, 49. Therefore, r is equal to 7 centimeter. So what we have done? We have applied the formula of volume of cone. Why? Because they have given us the value of volume. You got the value of r, that is radius. Now they have told us to find out the surface area. Whenever they will just give us to find out the surface area, it means we have to find out curved surface area. Now what is the formula for curved surface area? Curved surface area is equal to pi r l. But we don't know the value of l. We know the value of h and we know the value of r. So first we will find out the value of l. Now L square is equal to h square plus r square. What is h? 24. What is r? 7. That is equal to 24 square 576. 7 square 49. 625. Therefore L is equal to 625 square of 25. So L is equal to 25 centimeter. Now we know the value of L. We know surface area of cone. What is the formula? Pi r l. That is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25. 7 7 cancel. 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50 plus 5. 550 centimeter square. So where is this sum? These sums can be asked for 3 marks. They had given us the value of volume. So applying the formula of volume of a cone, I got the value of r. I know the value of r. I know the value of h. So I found out the value of l. And once I get the value of l, what is the surface area of cone? Pi r l. I solved it. I got the answer 550 centimeter square. Let's see the next sum. Now what is given to us? Area of the base of a cone is 1386 centimeter square. Height is 28 centimeter. Find its surface area. Given area of base 1386 centimeter square. Height h is equal to 28 centimeter. Now if you observe a cone, what is the base of a cone? Circle. What is the area of circle given to us? 1386. We know area of base of cone. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. 1386 22 upon 7 into r square. R square is equal to 1386 up into 7 upon 22. 2 11s are 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 11 6 are 66 33. Therefore r square is equal to 63 into 7. That is equal to 441. 441 is the square of 21. So r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now again here we have to find out the surface area. It is curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? Pi r l. Now we know the value of r, we know the value of h. So first we will find out the value of l. Now L square is equal to r square plus s square. That is equal to 21 square plus 28 square. What is 21 square? 441. What is 28 square? 28 multiplied multiplied by 28 is equal to 784. 784, 785, 825, 1225. Therefore, 1225 is the square of 35. So L is equal to 35 centimeter. We know. We have to find out curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L 22 upon 7 into r 21 into L 35. 7 1 the 7 5 22 multiplied by 21 5 105. 22 5 110 0 11 22 1 22 23 2310 centimeter square. So this sum was a little bit different. In this sum, they had given us the area of base of a cone. So we have to recollect that in a cone, the base is a circle. So I applied the formula for area of circle. I got the value of r. Once I get the value of r, applying the relation L square is equal to r square plus h square, I got the value of L. They have told us to find out the surface area, that is curved surface area. What's the formula? Pi r L. Substitute the value of pi r L, basic multiplication, and you will get the final answer. Now let's see the next word problem. What is given to us? There are 25 persons in a tent which is conical in shape. So in this sum we are discussing about a cone. How many persons are there in the tent? 25. Given number of persons in tent is equal to 25. Every person needs an area of 4 meters square of the ground inside the tent. So 25 persons are there in the tent and each person is requiring an area of 4 meters square. Area required for one person 4 meters square. Therefore, area required for 25 persons is equal to 4 into 25, 100 meter square. Now what we did, we found out the area required for 25 persons. Now all the persons are in a tent. What is the shape of the tent? It is conical. So I can say that the persons standing inside the tent are in the circle. Why? Because we know base of the cone is a circle. Now how much area is required for 25 persons? 100 meters square. So I can say that area of the base, that is area of that circle, is 100 meter square. Therefore area of base of tent, that is cone, is equal to 100 meters square. Therefore, what is area of circle? Pi r square is equal to 100 meter square. Make a box. Now we will keep this value as it is. Why? Because we have to find out the volume of the tent. Now what is the formula for volume of a cone? Volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Directly I have the value of pi r square. I know the value of h. Let's simplify it. Height h of tent is equal to 18 meters. Therefore, volume of tent, that is cone. What is the formula? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into what is pi r square? We will not simplify the value of pi. Directly we will write the value of pi r square, that is 100. And what is h? H is equal to 18. 3 1 जा 3 6 जा 600 meter cube. So what is the volume of the tank? 600 meter cube. Again we will see the sum. What is given to us? There is one tank. What the shape of the tank? It is conical in shape. Inside the tank there are 25 persons on the ground. Means the base of a tank is a circle. In the circle there are how many persons? 25. Each person is requiring an area of 4 meter square. So 25 persons will require an area of 100 meter square. That is, I can say that area of that base, that is area of circle, is equal to 100 meter square. Now what is area of circle? Pi r square. So I directly got the value of pi r square is equal to 100 meter square. I know the value of h. What is the formula? Volume of a cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Directly I know the value of pi r square, that is 100. What is the value of h? 80. 3 1 जा 3 6 जा. So answer is 600 meter cube. Let's see the last sum of the chapter. Now, what is given to us? Total surface area of cone is 616 centimeter square. Given, comma, total surface area is equal to 616 centimeter square. Now, if the slant height of cone is 3 times the radius, slant height, that is L, 3 times the radius, that is radius r multiplied by 3. 3 times means we are going to multiply it by 3. Now, if I consider radius r is equal to x, therefore what will be my slant height? Slant height L is equal to, radius is x, x into 3 will be 3x. Now they have given us a value of total surface area. Now total surface area of cone 616 centimeter square. What is the formula? Pi r L plus r is equal to 616 22 upon 7. What is r? X. L. What is L? 3x. Again, what is r? X. 616. Therefore 22 upon 7 into x. 3x plus x, 4x. 616. X into x, x square. 616 into 7 upon 22 into 4. Let's simplify it. 4 1 जा 4, 21. 4 5 जा 20, 6. 4 4 जा 16. 22 1 जा 22, 7 जा. X square is equal to 7 into 7, 49. X is equal to 7. I got the value of x, therefore radius r, x 7 centimeter. Therefore slant height L 3x, 3 into 7, that is equal to 21 centimeter. So very easy sum. Only in this case the relation between slant height and radius was that slant height is equal to 3 times the radius, that is radius into 3. So what I did, I consider radius as x, so slant height will be 3x. I took the formula for total surface area of the cone, substitute the value, I got the value of x. I got the value of x, it means I got the value of radius. Therefore what will be slant height? 3x, 3 into 7, that is equal to 21 centimeter.